Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Saint-Come-Liniere is a small municipality in the Beauce region of Quebec, located in the Chaudière-Appalaches area. It sits about 1 hour southeast of Quebec City, close to the border with the province of New Brunswick and the state of Maine. Today, the population is around 3,000 people, and the community is known for its strong local identity, agricultural roots, and connection to the forests and rivers of southern Quebec. The municipality was officially established in the late 19th century during a period when many settlers were moving deeper into the Beauce region. Farming and forestry became the foundation of the local economy. Families cleared land, built homes, and created small farms that supported the growing population. Like many communities in rural Quebec, the parish church became the center of daily life and helped shape the town's identity for generations. Saint-Come-Liniere was named in honor of Saint-Côme, while the second part of the name recognizes Michel de Linière de Forget, a French military officer connected to the history of New France. The long name reflects the deep French-Canadian heritage that is still visible throughout the region today. French remains the main language spoken in the community, and local traditions continue to play an important role in everyday life. Agriculture still plays a major role here. Dairy farms, maple syrup production, and crop farming are common throughout the surrounding countryside. During the spring maple season, sugar shacks across the Beauce region become gathering places for families and visitors. Quebec produces most of the world's maple syrup, and communities like Saint-Come-Liniere are part of that tradition. The landscape around Saint-Come-Liniere is shaped by rolling hills, forests, and rivers. The nearby Etchemin River system has historically supported settlement, transportation, and farming. In earlier decades, rivers in this region were often used during logging operations, helping move timber through the countryside. Today, the natural setting attracts outdoor enthusiasts throughout the year. Winters in this part of Quebec are long and snowy, and snowmobile trails are popular across the Beauce area. In warmer months, the region becomes a destination for cycling, hiking, fishing, and camping. The changing seasons are a major part of life in rural Quebec, and the fall colors in this area are especially well known. Like many smaller towns in rural Canada, Saint-Come-Liniere has experienced changes in population over the years. Younger residents sometimes move toward larger cities for work or education, while others choose to stay and continue family businesses or agricultural traditions. Despite these challenges, communities in the Beauce region are often recognized for their resilience and close community ties. Today, Saint-Come-Liniere remains a quiet but active rural community that reflects many of the traditions of southern Quebec. Its history is tied to farming, forestry, faith, and entrepreneurship. While the town has changed over time, it continues to represent the character of the Beauce region, where local culture and strong community roots remain an important part of daily life. Thanks for watching!